Today, I'm going to show you how I brought this broken laptop back to life. The hinges were completely snapped, the inside was dusty, and it needed a full cleanup and rebuild, all done DIY style right at home. First, I carefully removed every screw and opened up the laptop. The keyboard and palm rest came off, then I disconnected all cables one by one. Always make sure to keep your screws organized. Trust me, it'll save you a headache later. Next, I took out the motherboard, hard drive, and fan, basically stripping everything down to the base. Once everything was out, I gave it a full cleanup. I used a soft brush, a bit of isopropyl alcohol, and compressed air to get rid of all the dust. The fan was completely clogged. Cleaning it will really help improve cooling and performance. Now for the main issue, the broken hinges. I used a strong special adhesive designed for metal and plastic, applied it around the hinge mounts and reinforced both sides. Once it dried, the hinges were rock solid again and no more wobbling screen. After the glue set, I started putting everything back together. Motherboard, fan, cables, keyboard, and bottom cover. I double-checked every connection before closing it up. The laptop looked and felt brand new again. And that's it. A full DIY laptop repair from broken hinges to deep clean. If you found this satisfying or helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. More tech repair videos coming soon.